So today, guys, I'm going to do a mod on the 2021 Honda Pilot Special Edition. I'm going to replace all these ugly yellow incandescent bulbs here. You guys, I always know that's the first thing I always do. There's a couple dome lights back here. I just think they would look better, a nice white light. I still don't understand why they don't put them in here, since most of this car has everything white on it as far as the lighting goes. You got the license plate lights here, or factory white LEDs. You got factory white reverse lights here. And then you have these ugly yellow interior bulbs. So I'm going to switch them out with these right here. If you guys remember, I use these a lot, the Phillips mini wedge. They're a nice white light. Very simple install. Just remove the cover and replace them. So let me go and show you how I'm going to do that in the front here on these map lights. Okay, so I went ahead and took this cover off. Just like the one on the Accords, you just pop them off. And as you can already tell, it's a huge difference. That one actually looks red when you compare it how white this one looks. Looks nice and clean. I like it a lot more. It just has a more premium feel to me. I don't know why. Gives off a lot of good light. Really nice. So I'll go ahead and replace the right one too. And then there's two more dome lights back here, and then there's one in the trunk too, or the hatch. I'll show you. So here's what it looks like here. Then I have those two to do still. Pretty basic. Looks really good. And there's one that, see that far back one? And all these take the same bulb too. It's all the mini wedge, so that's easy. You just buy all the same ones. So check it out. Just replace them all. You just pop these covers off. Very easy to do. Take your little trim tool. They pop out the same way. I feel like it has a more premium look. Has great light output. Highly recommend it. Doesn't break the bank, and it definitely gives you more of a premium look when you open the door. Again, I appreciate it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll get back to you right away. As always, thanks so much for supporting me through the years here. Look forward to it, and hope everyone has a great day. Take care, everybody.